Hi guys, I'm Jerry. Today I will introduce our 5 rollerballs tubes. Here are 2 sizes for your choice. The 40mm diameter and 50mm. Here are 2 parts, the tube and the roller lid. I will show you how to fill it and assemble. Then screw the lid. It's assembled. The last but not least, let's check it if it can use normally. Take off the cap and open. Then squeeze the tube. After you use it, just close the roller lid. Then it won't come out. You can't squeeze the tube. The notice is that this tube is suitable for some cream, gel, and serum, which is much thicker than water. I just filled with water because there is no creams in my hand now. When you fill in the tube, please note the formula should be thicker than water. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.